Hey there, creative minds! Are you a designer, an artist, or maybe just someone who doodles on napkins while sipping your coffee? Chances are you have an iPad and Apple Pencil. Grab them, because today, we're diving into the best apps for creatives that will supercharge your imagination. I've found 2 apps in particular that have become invaluable for my profession and hobbies, and I'll tell you all about them. Plus, stick around for app suggestions that cater to all kinds of creatives. Alright, let's kick things off with a heavyweight champion in the digital art world. Procreate. This app is an absolute beast for unleashing your inner artist and one of my most used apps. The brush library, massive and customizable. You can tweak texture, flow, opacity, or import custom brushes. The intuitive interface feels like an extension of your hand. Undo with 2 fingers, zoom with a pinch. The time-lapse replay shows your art journey. You can also create folders to create multiple pages of a picture book, like the one I've done. Procreate has something for everyone, from beginners to pros. Next up, we're jumping into the world of vector graphics with Affinity Designer. It does everything that industry leader Adobe does, but with a one-time purchase. Yup, no more stupidly expensive subscriptions. This thing can handle everything from logos and icons to illustrations and UI design. Unlike raster images, vector graphics are built on mathematical equations, so you can scale them up or down without losing quality. Affinity Designer gives you an arsenal of tools to create crisp, clean, and infinitely scalable graphics. Pen tools, shape tools, curve editing, Boolean operations, the whole 9 yards. And the best part? It's all incredibly intuitive to use, even if you're a vector newbie. It plays nicely with both vector and raster layers in one file, giving you ultimate creative flexibility. So, whether you're a graphic designer, illustrator, or just someone who appreciates the beauty of a perfectly crafted vector, Affinity Designer is definitely worth checking out. One of the best reasons to get the Affinity Suite is the universal license. Access to Affinity's trio of apps on all devices, forever yours. Affinity Photo is the second of the trio, is here to shake things up in the world of image editing. Like Designer, it's a one-time purchase, especially if you get the universal license, and you get a full-fledged professional photo editing suite without the monthly subscription fees. Affinity Photo is packed with features that rival those found in industry-standard software. Advanced raw editing, layers, masking tools. I found that I've been able to do all of the things I needed with Photoshop here in Affinity Photo. Not only that, there are enough filters and effects to satisfy even the most Instagram-obsessed. So, whether you're a professional photographer, a hobbyist editor, or just someone who wants to remove that pesky photobomber from your vacation pics, Affinity Photo has everything you need to take your images to the next level. Ever had a brilliant idea for a magazine, a brochure, or even a full-blown book, but the thought of wrestling with clunky design software made you want to crawl back into bed? And what if you don't want to lug around that massive laptop and want to do all that on an iPad instead? Well, say hello to Affinity Publisher. Affinity Publisher takes the pain out of layout design, giving you the tools you need to create stunning magazines, brochures, reports, books, and more. One of the standout features of Publisher is its seamless integration with other Affinity apps. You can easily bring in vector graphics from Designer or edited photos from Photo and incorporate them into your layouts. And if you're a typography nerd, you'll appreciate the extensive typographic controls in Publisher. So, whether you're a seasoned designer, a small business owner, or just someone with a story to tell, Affinity Publisher gives you the power to bring your vision to life with professional desktop-grade results on your iPad. Let's be real, you can't talk about creative apps without mentioning Adobe. Adobe Fresco is their answer to the growing demand for a powerful yet intuitive drawing and painting app. It blends the precision and scalability of vector graphics with the organic feel and texture of pixel-based brushes. For illustrators, this is a game changer. You can start sketching with expressive live brushes that mimic traditional media, then switch to vector brushes for clean lines. The layer management system is top-notch, the selection tools are precise, and the performance is smooth. And if you're already invested in the Adobe ecosystem, Fresco plays nicely with other creative cloud apps like Photoshop and Illustrator. Adobe Fresco offers a free version with a generous set of features, so you can try it out before committing to a subscription. Ever feel like your ideas are too big for a standard sketchbook? Enter Concepts, the app that transforms your iPad into an infinite canvas. Architects, industrial designers, product designers, they swear by Concepts for its ability to capture those initial sparks of inspiration. One of the things that sets Concepts apart is its infinite canvas. You can zoom out and never hit a wall, perfect for mind mapping or sketching large-scale designs. Concepts also shines with its vector-based engine, meaning your sketches are infinitely scalable. The app offers a wide variety of pens, pencils, markers, and brushes, each with customizable settings. So if you're looking for an app that can keep up with your brainstorming sessions, design sprints, or just your everyday creative flow, Concepts is definitely worth checking out. Ever looked at a lump of clay and thought, I could make something amazing out of that? With Nomad Sculpt, you don't need years of art school to bring your 3D creations to life. This intuitive app turns your iPad into a digital art studio. Mold, shape, and texture your 3D models with your fingertips. The touch controls make it feel like you're handling virtual clay, packed with professional features from sculpting brushes to customizable settings. Add textures, paint models, and import reference images. Nomad Sculpt handles complex models with ease, perfect for artists, game designers, or anyone who loves digital clay. Alright video creators, this one's for you. LumaFusion is here to prove that you don't need a bulky computer to create professional-looking videos. This app brings the power of a desktop editing suite right to your iPad. LumaFusion is a full-fledged video editor that can handle everything from simple social media clips to complex multi-track projects. You can trim and arrange clips, add transitions, adjust audio levels, and create stunning visual effects. It also boasts a powerful color grading toolset that lets you fine-tune the look and feel of your videos. And the best part? LumaFusion is a one-time purchase, no monthly subscription fees. So whether you're a vlogger, a filmmaker, a journalist, or just someone who loves to capture and share life's moments, LumaFusion gives you the power to tell your story with professional quality results. Last but not least, let's talk about an app that's near and dear to my heart, Garageband. This free app from Apple has been a gateway for countless musicians, producers, and bedroom pop stars. Whether you're a seasoned musician or just starting to explore your musical side, Garageband makes it easy to create music. You can choose from a vast library of virtual instruments or even record your own vocals. Garageband is a full-fledged digital audio workstation, allowing you to record multiple tracks, arrange them, add effects, mix and master your songs. The app features a wide range of high-quality instruments and effects, and the mixing and mastering tools are surprisingly powerful. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting to jam out, Garageband is an incredible tool for making music. So there you have it, a creative toolbox filled with apps to fuel your imagination. From Procreate to the Affinity suite and beyond, there's no excuse not to create something amazing today. Which app do you swear by? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss more tech and creative content. Stay inspired and happy creating.